Can I start? Good morning, students. Direct and indirect speech, which we have taught to you in the last class. In that class, I have taught to you statements. Now, the second is interrogative sentences. All of you are aware about the interrogative sentences. That what are the interrogative sentences? In interrogative sentences, we put questions. We ask questions. How we change this interrogative sentence into indirect speech. An interrogative sentence we have to change reporting verb. In that class I have explained to you what is reporting verb and what is reporting speech. The verb which comes before inverted commas is known as reporting verb. That reporting verb means said to someone or said to him, said to uh, any name. It will change into asked, inquired, demanded, etc. Now, interrogative sentences are of two types. Some sentence begins with interrogative words such as what, why, where, who, etc. Some sentences begins with the helping verb as are, do, was, were, etc. Now, I'm taking an example of the sentence which begins with helping verb. He said to us, are you going to school? Question mark, inverted comma, close. As per rule of changing direct to indirect, first of all we will remove inverted commas. Said to, as I have told you, said to will change into verb, will change into asked, inquired. So said is a verb, so this said and to also, you will not write to here. Said to will change into asked, inquired, demanded as the sentence says. So here the sentence is saying, are you going to school? Inquiring. This person is inquiring, okay, whether the person is going or not going. He said to us, he inquired. Said to will change into inquired of us. The word whether or if will added. इसके बाद after comma we will add whether or if. When the sentence begins with helping verb. जब sentence helping verb से start होगा तो we will add whether or if. Whether we were going to school. Now here are is here, as per rule the tense will change, sentence will change into sentence will change into its past tense. Are is present, are will change into, when are will change into past, it will become were. You is a person. Now when we change, first of all I want to clear you, whenever we change from direct to indirect any interrogative sentence, it will change into statement. फौरन वो assertive या statement में change होता है, it will not be in interrogative sentence. As per rule of the assertive sentence, we will put subject before verb. Here verb is here because it is interrogative, but when we change it into assertive or statement, verb we will write subject before verb, so that the person is you. You will change into we because us is here, so that you will change into we. We were going to school, question mark will remove, only full stop, because it has been changed into statement. Again I am reminding, the sentence will change into statement or assertive sentence. क्वेश्चन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस को चेंज कर देना है असर्टिव सेंटेंस में. एज अ रूल असर्टिव सेंटेंस को जब हम लिखते हैं तो पहले सब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं, फिर वर्ब लिखते हैं. क्वेश्चन में पहले वर्ब लिखते हैं, फिर सब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं. तो जब हम इसको चेंज करेंगे तो ये जो सब्जेक्ट है वो पहले हो जाएगा और वर्ब बाद में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. द वर्ब इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट, जो दैट हम लिखते थे दैट विल बी रिमूव्ड. इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट वी विल राइट वेदर और इफ. नाउ second type of the interrogative sentence, it begins with interrogative verb such as where or what, where, etc. He said to me, where are you going? He asked me. Very simple. Whenever you don't understand any word, he asked me, sorry, he asked me. Now here no whether or if. When the sentence begins with interrogative words, जब सेंटेंस इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड से स्टार्ट होगा, वेयर से, व्हाट, बाय, एटसेट्रा, देन दिस वर्ड विल बी कॉपीड इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. दैट विल नॉट, अगेन दैट विल बी ओमिटेड, दैट नहीं लगेगा, वेदर और इफ भी नहीं लगेगा, सेम वर्ड विल बी कॉपीड हियर. वही वर्ड हम यहाँ कॉपी करेंगे. अगेन सेम रूल, sentence will change into assertive, so that we will write subject before verb. Where you is here, the person is you, you will change according to me, you will change into I. Me is here, me क्या है, first person, second person, I, where I was, it will change into I are, I के साथ हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, was, going. are क्या है, प्रेजेंट टेंस है. व्हेन इट इज चेंज इन टू पास्ट इट विल बिकम वॉज. जब हम इसको आर को चेंज करेंगे तो ये वॉज हो जाएगा. गोइंग इज हियर, गोइंग इज हियर. सो द इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म इज चेंज इन टू असर्टिव फॉर्म. दिस शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. हमेशा इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म को हम असर्टिव फॉर्म में या स्टेटमेंट में चेंज करते हैं, और जब हम चेंज करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन मार्क विल बी रिमूव्ड. क्वेश्चन मार्क विल भी रिमूव्ड हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन मार्क हम नहीं लिखेंगे. नाउ दिस वाज द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कम्स कमांड्स और रिक्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट डायरेक्ट इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, कमांड्स और रिक्वेस्ट कम्स. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब again here set to changes into advised, commanded, ordered, requested, forbade, etc. The verb in the reported speech is put in the infinitive form. To infinitive. To plus first form of verb. What is infinitive? Infinitive is to plus first form of verb. Example, I am going to take one example, then it will be clear to you. My mother said to me, you must work hard for your examination. Here the mother is advising to her son, that he must do hard work for examination. My mother said to me again will change to, just as here in interrogative sentence said to is removed, here also said to will change into advised, forbade, requested, whatever the sentence or type. जिस टाइप का सेंटेंस हो वैसे ही चेंज कर देंगे. एडवाइज्ड मी, टू भी नहीं लिखा जाएगा. रिमेंबर दिस, ये टू को भी हम ओमिट करेंगे. एडवाइज्ड मी, यू मस्ट वर्क हार्ड. यू खटाएंगे, टू वर्क हार्ड. टू वर्क विल बी रिमेन सेम, देयर इज नो चेंज इन द टेंस. यहाँ क्योंकि इन्फिनेटिव लगा रहे हैं इसलिए हम टेंस को चेंज नहीं करेंगे. रूल ऑफ इन्फिनेटिव इज दिस कि टू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर माई एग्जामिनेशन. फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन, अगेन योर विल चेंज इन टू, योर किस में हो जाएगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इट विल चेंज इन टू माई. माई मदर एडवाइज्ड मी टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर माई examination. So it is very simple. Report commands and requests are very simple. If we take another example, orally I am telling you that if it is said, if I take another example, just as the captain said punish the culprit. Captain is here, the captain is ordering, the captain ordered to punish the culprit, to punish only. ठीक है. And then the exclamatory or exclamation or wishes comes in direct and indirect speech. Here reported verb will change into wish, bless, cry, explain, sorrow. Interjections of exclamatory will be omitted. Interjection mark जो है ये वाला ये नहीं लगेगा. Just as it is removed in question mark, the question mark is removed here also. Interjection of the exclamatory will be removed. If I take example, suppose I take the example of what a lovely dress. What a lovely dress! Exclamatory mark. He, she said. So she is remarking over here, giving the remark to the dress. She remarked. Now here that word will be added. That it was a lovely dress. Here I am not getting the space. Now exclamatory sentence. In the exclamatory sentence, reported verb is changed to such verb as cry out, wishes, confess, pray, etc. Exclamation form is changed into a statement. Just as an interrogative, we change the interrogative into the statement. In exclamatory also we change into a statement. This exclamatory note is changed into full stop. That means exclamatory note will not be written when we change into indirect, only full stop. Omit all interjections. You have to omit. You need not to write the interjections marks, interjections word, just as hurrah, alas, what, bravo, etc. It will change. Hurrah will change into joy. Alas will change into grief. Ya sorrow. What or who is surprise. Bravo or here means approval. All these type of words will change into this, with joy, with grief, with surprise, with sorrow, like this we write. Now I am taking an example. I said, comma, with an inverted comma, how happy he looks. I said will change into exclaimed. As I told you, cry out, wishes, confess, pray, and exclaim word. The word exclaim is also added. Exclaim. Okay. Exclaimed. How? He exclaimed. That will be added. One thing again reminding you here again, that like a statement, that will be written. He exclaimed that. How will be removed. He, first you will write as the rule of the statement. First you will write the subject. He is the subject over here. He. Looks will change into its past. It will become looked. How? Very happy. How happy? How will change into very, and happy you will write here. So I exclaimed that he looked very happy. This note will change into full stop. Now the second example in which exclamatory word is coming. He said, comma, with an inverted commas, alas, mark of exclamation, my friend is no more. He exclaimed. Alas is indicating that the person is in sorrow mood. Exclaim with how? With will be added. How? With sorrow. Alas is indicating, again I am reminding you, alas is indicating the situation of sorrow. तो sorrow की जब situation आएगी तो हम alas the word, this exclamatory word we have to remove. इसको हम remove कर देंगे. He exclaimed with sorrow. That will be added. Who? My friend. My will be written according to the subject of here. My friend, his friend. Is will change into its past. Was. No more, no more. He exclaimed with sorrow that his friend was no more. Mark of exclamation will remove, and the exclamatory word will remove, and this tense will be changed according to the rule of the tenses. So I think there is no confusion. If you have any confusion regarding any of the sentence, any of the type, you may ask me in my personal inbox, and that I'll give you some sentences to do, that I'll give you separately.